Algeciras Port and Aesba Associates in the middle of the crossroad. Professional port marine services when time and efficiency count. Crew change. At Algeciras Port, we provide fast, flexible, efficient and operating crew change service at a very competitive cost. We take care of all procedures, documentation, visas, taxis, hotels and medical and airport assistance, while taking advantage of the stops for bunkering or at one of the container terminals or during vessel passage through the Strait of Gibraltar without hold-ups. People arriving at Algeciras can be transferred quickly and easily to the 3 closest airports located in Malaga, Gibraltar and Seville. 2 4-star hotels are available depending on your needs. You can get big savings from hotels, transport and launch hire services. Supplies. Nowadays, we have a wide range of suppliers for all the vessels that visit our ports. These companies have great experience in dealing with all types of vessels. A large range of services like fresh and frozen products, deck, engine, cabin, bonded stores, fresh water or loop oils are available 24 hours a day. We provide supplies to vessels at berth or at anchorage, as well as an off-limit service that allows ships to receive stores and spare parts while being offshore, thus saving time and money. We always take great care to ensure that everything is ready before the vessels arrive. We will also coordinate the supplies in the launch itself, avoiding extra costs of the launch, mobile cranes and customs. We guarantee on-time delivery on board. Repairs. No matter if it's small, large, urgent repair work or docking, you will find all you need at excellent facilities at Algeciras Port. Workshops are perfectly equipped to carry out any repair or maintenance job under the supervision of highly qualified personnel. At Algeciras, you will easily get the necessary permits to get your repairs done as soon as possible. Our experienced workforce is ready for immediate mobilization. You will get the best conditions for repairing at anchorage, at berth, or at the existing dry dock in Algeciras Saint-Naval. We will liaise with all concerned authorities, suppliers and service providers before vessels arrive to ensure smooth operations, avoiding delays and minimizing unexpected costs. Door-to-deck services. All kinds of spares and stores coming via plane, truck or containers can be safely stored inside or outside port facilities, ready for delivery when vessels pass by or when they are at safe anchorage or at berth. We have consolidated truck service to North Europe from Algeciras. Luggage from vessels is sent via plane, truck or sea freight to any part of the world at a very competitive cost. Our main goal is to simplify and ease our clients' needs. Algeciras provides customs and logistics services through a young, experienced, professional staff in foreign trade. We have national and international correspondents to fulfill the needs of our customers, providing prompt services and excellent transition times from the origin to the final destination. Our local market knowledge is a key point to fulfill your needs, making sure you don't pay more than necessary. Off-limit services. Ships that pass the strait but don't desire to come off charter or leave international waters can take advantage of the significant off-port limit operations. These services include receiving stores, spares, supplies, cash to master, and even a crew change while still offshore, thus avoiding loss of time and expenses. The meeting points in the strait will depend on several factors like maritime traffic, weather conditions, and vessel routes, in or outbound. Each particular operation will be agreed beforehand with the captain of the vessel, the supply tug, and the agent in a smooth and safe way. Our main purpose is to ensure the vessels transit through without any deviation or loss of time, and operations are carried out in a safe and correct way. Underwater work and maintenance. We provide reliable services with outstanding results, instead of arranging last-minute underwater works or maintenance. We provide savings in fuel consumption and optimize your vessel's performance, maintaining smooth underwater hull and propeller polishing. Underwater surveys and repairs, hull cleaning, and propeller polishing are all provided by the main classification societies and by Algeciras port authorities. Marpool waste collections. Algeciras is perfectly equipped to deal with waste oil removal and disposal, oil sludge or garbage, and all kinds of slops at our Marpool treatment plants. We collect solid and liquid residues. Marpool Annex 1, Category A and B, Annex 2, Category X, Y and Z, Annex 4, Annex 5 and Annex 6. Everything is carried out by barge while the vessels are at anchorage, or X-truck when they are at berth. In both cases, the corresponding Marpool certificate is provided and all is done in a smooth, safe and correct legal way. Our philosophy is to ensure our clients' satisfaction through a close and professional attention, to advise our customers to provide the best service for each requirement at each stage of her port call.